Good morning. Ayan po. Ah, fair day. Update po, update. Spandrel, libtang inside. This spandrel have holes po. I think it's 20 pieces. Yes. And this one also. It's ano po, how do you call this? The spacing po is like that for now because we need to put wires po for the lightning also on that side po. We already have a wire here laying out. Just need po to uh, attach another wire because I think this line will be for the rest of this spandrel and also here. Also here po. All they're putting out are the spandrel with holes. They're they are now po laying out the spandrel on the roof without the lighting po. Much better now because it's not so there's no sun, so a little bit cold. It's not so hot for them to lay out the spandrel. In here po we need an metal paring for the middle part po. The spandrel will be rivet to the metal paring po, just like that po. I ordered it yesterday, 20 pieces, 26 pieces, not yet been delivered. We are waiting for it po, maybe a little bit later po it will be delivered. These guys are the ceremonies guys, the painting guys po. They will, I think on Saturday po they will paint this area. Some guys are working Tatay's room, Bon's room, one guy in the living area, and these two guys are divided here, outside here and in the foyer. Ayan po, our guys are in the roof. Structure guys. Laying out the spandrel po on the lowest, on that lowest roof. Ayan po. Also po, we're short of drill, so I rented 2 drills po. The 2 that we have is already being used by other skilled. We need at least 2 po, so that's Waller said it was 150 a day, so I said okay, so that we will accomplish the things that we need to do with the drill fast. Ayan po. Here are the newly sandered jump po. This is the attic kitchen po. We're hiding the tubes po on the wall, on the ceiling. Yan. Exhaust of the kitchen and the CR also. It will be like post po, like that po. Ayan po. Babush.